Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxanne. I am a makeup artist, and in today's video I will be showing you how to curl your hair overnight with no iron needed. Only products and only technique. So if ever you want to know how to curl your hair to have nice wavy curls without iron, then keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. Let's get into it right away, and we don't need to get a little bit closer. We're just gonna stay at this length for you to see more what it is. So let's get into it right away. Hello. So I just did this makeup look. If ever you want to know what this makeup look, what it is, then it's gonna be up here, and it's gonna be listed down below as well. This is recreating Kylie Jenner's makeup that she did on her sister Kim Kardashian. So you can go check it out. It is really cute, really nice, super energetic, soft glam. I really love it, honestly. So let's get into this video right now. So I'm going to be curling my hair without iron. So I already did one step of the way, which is doing my braids. So if ever you want to know how to braid your hair, I have another video only for that. If you want me to do a video for two, I can do one too. But for now, I'm going to be curling my hair without heat. So the first thing that I did is wash my hair, obviously, and I braided it in two separate braids, as you can see. Two little braids, and of course hair is coming everywhere. That's what happens when you braid your hair and you do this, but that's what it is. So I think we're gonna be using 3 products today to really continue what we did. So first off, wash my hair. Second, I put products to really detangle it and to make sure that it is protected from anything and it doesn't like frizz or becomes like rough texture, you know, because you want to have a nice curl. And when you have blonde hair, you have to add more products to keep them really nicely done. Then I took the hair dryer and I dried my hair just a little bit while my boyfriend was taking his things. Just left it overnight, and now it's a little bit everywhere, but we will style it and it's gonna look amazing. So I have 3 products, which one is the Beach Look hairspray, because I want to have beach look right now. I want to feel like it's summer. It is winter, there's snow everywhere, but I still want to feel pretty and beautiful like I'm on the beach. So this is from Kevin Murphy Hair Resort Spray. This will give you texture. It will be really nice. And then I'm gonna be using the Shimmer Shine Repairing Shine Mist. So this is gonna add shine to my hair. It's gonna add like glitter and stuff. Super amazing. And then I'm gonna use the Powder Puff, which is a volumizing powder because I don't have any volume whatsoever. So we will start with the Kevin Murphy hairspray, and then we're gonna go into the Shimmer Shine, or maybe at the end, we'll see. And we will take a little bit of the Power Puff and put it into our hair to have more volume. First of all, I need to remove those thing off my hair, so we will start. And with these nails, it is a challenge. Okay, so you undo the hair. And this is the hair that I got. It's a little bit more frizzy than if I did one braid, but I really wanted to do 2 braids and to have this look. So I'm going to be using the spray and then spraying it on my hair. And this will give texture. And then the next step is to put a little bit of the volumizing powder in my... Wow, so weird. And then put the volumizing powder just because I don't have a lot. And then we put the Shimmer Shine in our hair. Let's apply. And it makes it look really beautiful and shiny, because we all want shiny hair. And that's the hair that I have. So that is without any curling iron. It is really beautiful. If you have the good products, that's what it's gonna look like. It was a really short video. I have to get out. But yeah, like this is what you can do, and there's so many things you can do with these products. So Kevin Murphy, everything is going to be listed down below. And so thank you so much for watching. And also, I'm going to be posting articles about this as well, just to make sure that you understand everything and that you don't miss anything as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also subscribe to my website down below, because I leave so many good articles and you're going to absolutely love it. It's going to change your life. A lot of details. I put a lot of time in this, and it's really for you beauties and for you to have even more information about what I do on my videos and even more. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday at 9 AM Pacific Standard Time. So if ever you don't want to miss a video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time I post a video. So I really love you beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye beauties.